I recently purchased two items. The first one being a mini disc recorder, the second one being a DAT recorder. DAT, of course, stands for digital audio tape, and those are two systems, mini disc and DAT, that I have been wanting to play around with for quite a while, and I finally found some good deals on eBay. Despite the fact that I purchased the mini disc deck first, it's actually the DAT deck that showed up today, while the mini disc unit is still on its way. First of all, this is the model DTC ZE700, so rather cheap, bottom of the line type of thing, I'd say. And as you can clearly see, it's in really bad condition. It's all scratched up. The faceplate is incredibly filthy. This window right here is pushed in, and this is just nasty. I'll have to tear down this whole entire thing to wash it. Now, thankfully, this does have a metal faceplate. It's one of these sandwich designs where they have a plastic frame under this metal face. So I should be able to take this metal part off for cleaning. Despite the fact that it's filthy and scratched up, it's supposed to be fully functional, so that's what we're going to try out in this video. As we turn it on, we have a nice multicolor display, and the eject does work. I can easily take this door off to glue this plastic part back into there properly. Right here I have something that I found at a flea market many years ago. I don't know for how long this has just been sitting around in the workshop. This is a 60-minute TDK DAT tape, obviously. So let's open that on camera, of course. Okay, here we go. Brand new. Yep, there we have it. This is, of course, as I just said, the only one that I have. I'm not really that happy that I have to test this unit with a brand new DAT tape, because if it chews it up, then that's going to be the brand new DAT tape ruined. But I don't have any other choice, so let's put this in. And just, well, I guess it just falls in like that. Okay, it does make some noise. Well, I'd say that's fast forward. Rewind. That seems to work as well. So with the tape rewound to the start, let's see. If I press record, okay, it goes straight into record pause, so that's good. I have the analog input selected, 44.1 kilohertz sampling rate, same as the CD. You know what, let's put it up to 48 kilohertz. So let me start the CD player. Now see, this is the big difference with a digital recording. You cannot go over 0. With an analog recording, you commonly have it, round about plus 3 decibels or something. With this, you can quite clearly see it. You get a big red stripe when it goes over 0 decibels. I want to turn this down. And that should be fine. So, ID right, it says, start ID. So we we get a counter right there, program number 1. Of course, this is a digital system, so you do have track IDs and all that sort of fancy stuff. So I'm going to let this run for a while, and then I'll be back. We've been going for about 1.5 minutes. So far, no problems. Not sure what this margin means. It's flashing 0 decibels. Let's fade this out. Press stop. Seems like it doesn't want to write another ID or something like that, so let's just rewind this. That's quick. That's really quick. So let's press play and see whether or not this all worked. I'd say that sounds pretty good. Now, the source has been a CD player, but I haven't used the digital input. That's of course something that I could try out. But I guess for right now, I can say that this thing is working the way it should, despite looking rather sad. So I can tear this down and I can wash it, make it look pretty again. And then I may or may not make another video about this. And that's the fade out. And it seems, I heard it clicking in the mechanism, but it hasn't stopped. Well, there we go. Okay, so once the recording has reached the end, it's actually going to rewind automatically. That's interesting. So, as you could hear in the fade out, I will also have to clean the record level potentiometer. That appears to be a little bit scratchy. But aside from that, that is a really good first impression. So, eject the tape. There it is, once again. So, that's that. Thank you for watching.